going on, partners? Back at you with another one. We're getting wet today. Oh yeah, getting wet. It's supposed to rain at 7 and 8, 90%, but we're gonna stick it out. I'm hoping we're done before then, but we're gonna see. So that's gonna suck. Tubes came up with a great idea, and I love it. So we're gonna rock with it. But gonna kill them. Hopefully done before the rain. I doubt it. We're gonna get wet and it's gonna suck. But here we go. Jumping. Yep. Cut him. Make a round real quick. Yep. Yeah, get it. Yeah. Man, now get it. You on the right. 1, 2, 3. God dang. Alright, we are venturing looking for other squealers in the jungle. Or at least that's what it feels like. Oh, there goes one. Huh. Well, got one. Yeah. Told y'all we were gonna get a wet ass. My ass is gone first. Yeah, y'all the ones with no poncho rain. Yeah, we messed up, man. Bring no poncho, but it's okay. I'm still dry. I'm dry. I'm tucked away. Look at me. I'm just in it. What you looking at, Braden? Motherfucker over there, all in the bush. Heck yeah, I got my little cubby hole, bro. I ain't getting wet at all. Uh-oh. It's getting it good now. Getting it good. He said, I'm good with it. We should have rolled. Yep, we should have rolled. Alright, I thought it was getting it before. Now it's really getting it. Look, my camera came in focus. It's getting it now. Oh, look, let me wipe you off. I don't know if that works. Maybe that was it. Let's see. I hope so. I don't know. We getting stormed on now. Alright. Couldn't get on GoPro, but we just knocked down 3 or 4 out of these. I'm ready. See what we can do now. Man, why did it lift up? They were like so low to water and lifted up on them. Still trucking on now. Whew. Man, got some weight on the backs.
And don't move. But like these cameras, they're going up other cameras over there. Yep. Fuck it all up on one move. Let it be here somewhere, I'll fuck it up. Oh, for sure. Mm-hmm.
As well as that other park is, that's the park we need. Like they come.
Let me listen.
Surprisingly big duck shit.
Yeah, that's what all the feed and the other duck.
Hide behind the gun.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's fucking sick.
Everything is shot out there.
Oh, yeah.
The thing is whistling before.
I know. I got some old Walmart special knives.
Hey, listen.
Put long neck.
Oh, that's fucking sick. Oh, the brush fucked me up.
I'm hiding behind my gun so they can't see me.